So far you have seen how to install Git and Azure Repos extension in the VS Code. In this video we will see how to create the new repository in Azure DevOps. So here I will navigate to the Azure DevOps and simply you need to click on the repos on the left side, and here you can click on this arrow and select the option as new repository, and here you can provide the repository name. So if you see here guys, very first option, repository type is a Git type. So that's the reason firstly we have installed the Git in our case. So let's provide the repository name. So here I will give the repository name as Playwright with Azure DevOps Pipeline. So that's it. Then I will click on the create button. So that's it guys. We are done with creating the new repository in Azure DevOps.